going to cook dinner chicken pepper stick. First, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of beef powder and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and you have to mix it well. While you mix the chicken, you have to mix hot the frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then stir fry, half cook the chicken. It's really good, guys. This chicken is for my husband. I cook for my husband really. Now, as you can see, the chicken is turned brown and you have to turn it. When the chicken is ready to put aside, set aside the clean plate. Now you have to saute 1/2 on onion chop. And also add the 3 cloves of chopped fresh garlic. And also 2 medium size of bell peppers, red and yellow. And add the chicken. Add the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and you have to mix it. And then you have to add 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 tablespoon of beef powder. And then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce. And of course, jalapino. Sorry, the wrong spelling. It's supposed to be inye, but I can't find the inye. So you have to mix well and taste it. Add the jalapeno and the food is ready to serve. So if you like my video, subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. I'm really sorry that I never upload my video, guys, because I was admitted in the hospital for 9 days. So I try my best now to upload. I'm really sorry, but please leave comment and subscribe. Don't forget to push the notification bell. As soon as I can respond your messages. Shout out to all my friends subscriber, the silent viewers that always there for me. I know I'm really sorry that I don't upload many days of my videos because I was admitted in the hospital. I just got out last Tuesday. I got infection for my dialysis access. So thank you to our Almighty God, and see you in my next video, guys. Share, likes, and leave comment. Thank you and God bless.